School District's Career and Technical Education Coordinator. So the tour that I was able to attend to GM Fairfax, the facility there, was fabulous. It gave me a really good opportunity to see and to make connections with some of the folks there, but also just to see, so that when I talk to my instructors and help them with curriculum and help them with potential guest speakers in the future or job site opportunities or any of those types of things that we try to engage our students in and for their future workforce development, that it gave me, number one, hands-on, real-world, real-life examples of what is currently practiced in industry, and that was just a great, fabulous opportunity.
I was delighted to get to join in on the tour, and SITE did set all that up for us and facilitated that. I went as someone very interested in advanced manufacturing, very interested in giving our students an opportunity to actually see what it's like inside a factory. So many of them have very old-fashioned ideas or really just no picture of what it's like in a current advanced manufacturing site. So I was fascinated and could not wait to see what was in the factory myself. And so I went with high expectations and left absolutely could not have been more pleased. The kids came away with great information. My teachers responded that they had a fantastic time. So I catch myself, as I should be, still talking about it today, still talking to teachers about what I saw and how that relates back to the classroom, talking to administrators about the opportunities that are right here in the North Kansas City area, in the greater Kansas City area for the North Kansas City students. So it was a phenomenal day.
The Independent School District has been doing externships for the last 3 years now. And one of the benefits we see overall for all of our teachers is that most of our teachers came from education straight out of college and began teaching. Some of them had current work experience or have come from another field into their field, into the field of education, but not many. And so they know the theory and they know how to teach the material very well, but they don't have real-world practice a lot of times. So SITE, by coming on board and offering externships specifically for manufacturing or STEM-type careers in manufacturing, is tremendous value for the Independent School District right now. We would actively seek out to send some, maybe or even our math teachers, our science teachers, out to those sites so that they could see, because we then have internally collaborative efforts between our math, science, English, history teachers, our core area teachers, and our elective teachers, and they create these cross-curricular projects that cross the classroom. So if they have basically the same group of kids that are attending, which we do in our small academies now, what that's going to do is then they might start a project in their manufacturing class, but they finish it in their math class, their Algebra 2 class. So they use those elements that are there at this one level, and then they transfer them over there. It makes the engagement level of the students go sky high. Their attendance goes up, their grades go up, and they remember the material so much better.
All right, I think I got everybody this time.
I don't know. It was for my geometry class, and I'm just more of an artistic right brain side rather than left brain side, I guess. And I enjoyed this trip so much. I learned a lot, and it was really, I'm surprised at how interested I am in this, and I'm really glad I got to have this opportunity.